Good evening, my dear students. I want to share you the flow of our STEAM class tomorrow. This is STEAM activity, let it burn, the objective, and then I will show you, I will tell about the um, problem of the STEAM project, picking some pictures, and then after telling you about the project, I will tell you, using the following materials, design a prototype to solve the villager's problem. I will ask you first, you have 2 minutes to discuss with your partner or with your partners in the breakout rooms as groups about what is the problem that you have to solve. It means you have to decide what's the problem and draw the first step in your flow chart. The first step in your flow chart, this one. You will write in your own words what's the problem you have to solve. In your own words. All answers are accepted. You will draw this, the first one only, on a paper. And then, after this, I will ask you to draw the second step after knowing what is the problem. Now, how you can solve it. Suggest a solution. For example, I will connect the tubes with the plastic bottle and add the materials to make a biogas production system, or I will mix the vegetable waste with the animals waste to make a gas production system. Then I will say you have 2 minutes to draw your prototype and label it. You have to show that you are busy and you are drawing and labeling. 2 minutes maximum. You shouldn't take more than this because we have around 40 to 45 minutes to record. And then after you draw it, I will say you have 15 minutes to solve the villager's problem and construct your prototype. You will start designing. You should have your materials next to you ready in order to save time. And then after this, I will say test your prototype. If yes, it works, you will test it using a lighter. And Selma said she will also connect it to a balloon to show that there is gas. And who else? Laith also, he or any one of you can connect a plastic tube to show that to put it inside a glass of water to show that there are some bubbles coming out. But this is to show that we have gas. To show it is methane, we have to use a lighter. Make this step under supervision of an adult, and actually it will work after a week or several weeks to have a great amount of methane to be ignited to be flammable. If no, you will say, I will tell you also, draw. Yes, draw the testing step. Test my design using lighter. I will say, if it works, yes, if it works, I will say, draw a conclusion that I conclude that adding animals waste with the food waste in anaerobic conditions without oxygen, it will produce methane. If it doesn't work, you will do these branches. If it doesn't work, I say I will either redesign it or use more materials or you suggest any suggestion. And then after testing, I may ask you about the difficulties of your design. All answers during this team are accepted. We don't have any wrong answers because these are your suggestions, your way of thinking. Now I will ask you also in groups to start exploring the web and seek the answers. Each group will take two questions, and I need to see you. Your videos should be on all the time, and your audio also, your microphone. that each group will take 2 questions. This will take 2 minutes to answer the questions from the net using the web. Each group will take 2 questions. One of the groups will take 3 and 4. Another group will take question 5 and 6. Another group will take 7 and 8. And here I added 8. You don't have question 8. You can add it with your handwriting. And then I will greet you and tell you that we can meet next week to show your testing again, to test the prototype. I thank you very much. Bye bye.